Hey guys, so today is going to be unboxing of my boxy charm. This is my October boxy charm, and unfortunately it's literally like peeling and busting at the seams and it's damaged a little bit. So hopefully everything in here is okay. I know there is supposed to be an eyeshadow palette in here and I really am crossing my fingers and hoping that it is fine, but normally it's okay. They package things pretty good for the boxy charms. Anyway, this is my October boxy charm. I know it's a bit late. I am sorry. It's probably coming out in November. This month has been ridiculously busy for me. There was a work thing that I had to go to, which meant I literally had to go on a plane and go away for a couple of days on my actual weekend, which is when I normally film these videos. So unfortunately, that has taken up some of my month this year. Anyway, sorry about my rambles. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. If you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thank you for rejoining us. And if you are new, thank you for joining us as well. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're in the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. And let's just jump right into October's boxy charm. So first off, this month is called Alter Ego. That's what the pamphlet looks like. I'm really digging the fact that they're doing it this way. I know it's more paper than the other ones, but they're a little bit more chic, which I think is really cute. So first up in here is this here. Okay, so this one was one of the ones that I really didn't want. I just didn't really think that I was going to use it. This is the dermovia, I think it's called, lace appeal. And this is the black bamboo charcoal lace peel. So if you guys have not already seen what this looks like, it's a lace mask, and it actually comes with a bottle of charcoal in it as well. So you actually put the mask on, and then you put the actual face mask, sheet mask or whatever on top of it. So if you guys want to see a review on if I like this or not, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can film a video for you. And the lace mask is $30. So this is kind of insane because this is like a 1 or 2 time use lace mask. Like you can only use it once or twice, I think. Helps with puffiness and detoxifies and smooth. So that is that. I think it's a bit crazy that a 1 time use mask or a 2 time use mask is literally $30, but that is me. So up next in here is this here, and this is from Kat Von D, and I have one of her lipsticks already. Excited. This one is in Bow and Arrow. So let's just open it. This one's the brown one, the very nude brown one. So that is what it looks like there. I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand. I would put it on, but I'm wearing something almost as nude. This one is brown, like legit nudie brown. Sounds really bad. That is the color. I actually really like that. That would probably look better than this lipstick with this eyeshadow look today. This is the matte one, so it'll matte down a little bit, which is nice. This is something I'm super excited for. I really do love Kat Von D's makeup. I know that there's a lot of stuff going on with her and the controversy. I try to stay out of a lot of that stuff, but I absolutely like a lot of her makeup. So this one I'm excited for. I've been struggling trying to find the perfect nude brown color because of my skin tone. It makes it a little bit harder. This hopefully will be maybe my match. And the Everlasting liquid lipstick is $20, so that's actually not bad. And it is a color that I do not own yet, so that's good. I like when they send me things that I don't own already. Okay, up next is this. I'm gonna grab it out here. So this is the briogeo, I think it's called. All right, this is the Don't Despair Repair. This is a leave-in strengthening moisturizing mask. It's a spray. Here's my thing. Being a hairdresser, I'm not huge on getting hair care in boxy charms. Yes, it's high end. This is sold at Sephora, but to be perfectly honest, I don't like getting hair care things. I have so much hair stuff already that I like to pick and choose what I need. This is something that, yes, is probably amazing, and it's expensive. It's, gosh, $16 for this little thing, which actually isn't that expensive. I have way more expensive hair products, but this is like a travel size. This is a 59 milliliter. So like 2 ounces. That's tiny. So I really don't understand how this is a full-size product, but I guess it is, because who knows? I don't ever check out hair care products in Sephora. I never go to the hair care section, and it's because I work in a salon and I go to beauty suppliers and things like that, so. But I will try this, and if I don't like it, then I'll give it to a friend. So then up next is, I'll grab this because, well, this is what I've been waiting to take a look at. So this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. Let's see if I can get into it. Yeah, I always put these little stickers on them and my nails never can go through them.
2 hours later.
Oh, for the love of... What? No wonder! I just ripped off the whole package. Good God.
5 minutes later.
And back to this fun video. Okay, this is what it looks like. I like how it's like half a masquerade mask. I think that's really cute. It would have been kind of cuter if it was the full one, but that's okay. And then so it opens up like this, and it is a face and cheek palette. Okay, so this is the cheek palette. So this is a highlighter here. There's 2 blushes, and then there's 2 blushes, and then this is a bronzer. This is, or like a bronzer top coat. This has got some shimmer in it, so that is the bronzer. So then that is the highlighter, and that is the bright red blush, or bright pink blush, and then there's this one here, so that is really nice too. I'm actually quite a big fan of these 2 colors. I think I'm going to really enjoy these. I might end up using this as an eyeshadow though, just because it might be too sparkly for what I like to do with my contour. I don't like my contours to be sparkly. So, however, this highlighter will definitely fit in with my other highlighters, and I'm definitely going to enjoy playing around with this one. Then here are the colors. I'm hiding the tiny little mirror here so you don't get the reflection of my back of the area here. So this is called 12 p.m. Then there is one called Disguise Mask Off, which is this greeny color. I'm personally probably never going to use this green color. Then this one is Exposed and Sneak Peek, which is looks like it's the only matte one in here. And then this one here is called Showtime. Okay, so I'm gonna just do some swatches for you. Okay, so those are what they look like, the eyeshadow colors. So this one is the light one. This is the only matte one. It didn't swatch very well, so I'm gonna have to play around with it. This is the blue one. This one here that I thought was green actually looks a little bit more gold, which is kind of nice. And then the dark purple, and then the midnight, which has got a little bit of like a navy blue kind of look to it. So that is this palette here. If you guys want to see a look with me using this one, honestly, I might not end up keeping this. I like these very, very much, but I don't know how often I'm going to end up using these. I might end up just kind of cutting it in half and keeping this and giving this to a friend, but we'll see what happens. But if you guys want to see a tutorial on what look I can come up with this, leave me a comment in the comments below. So the Masquerade palette is a $38 palette, which isn't too bad. I would prefer a few more mattes in it. I am not a fan of all glitter palettes, only because I don't use that much frost and glitter like I do. I absolutely love having frost and glitter on my face, but I do prefer to have a palette that actually has mattes as well, just because then if I want to take it somewhere with me, then I'm not just reaching for 4 different palettes every time I want to do a makeup look, which is the problem with sometimes having all shimmers. Alright, so last in my boxy charm this month is this here. This is something I've been actually wanting to try out, and I just haven't purchased it yet, which is pretty awesome that it came in my boxy charm. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So it has a photo here of what before and after is supposed to look like. I don't know if it's supposed to actually do that. It looks super cute, and then it's got the superhero at the bottom. This is what the mascara wand looks like. It is average and pretty much normal for pretty much a lot of mascara wands, but if it's not like flimsy or anything, it should be really good. I'm not going to test it out right now because I am wearing mascara, This is a $34 mascara though. So I've seen a lot of videos and stuff like that on, and reviews on how well this actually works. So I'm going to, I guess, give it a go and see how well it actually works. So that was everything in October's Boxy Charm. Let me just add everything up to see how much it was worth this year. This month. So altogether everything was $127. So that was actually pretty good. I know everyone says it's a $21 a month box, but here in Canada it is like $35 or something with shipping and handling, if not a little bit more. So that is still worth it. I am not saying anything. This box was definitely worth it. There have been a few boxes where I was just like, I would never use some of this stuff. So, but this box, I think everything I will use and at least test out. That was everything in this month's Boxy Charm. If you guys want any of those reviews, leave me a comment in the comments below and I will make videos for you guys. Alright, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! But I picked this up. Yes, it is a unicorn horn. I know, slightly childish, but I am planning on making 3... I know, right? I'm planning on making 3 different Mickey mini slash ears. One of them I thought would be really cute with one of these on. This